and welcome to another Dancing Hands video. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in American Sign Language the numbers, going from 1 to whatever, okay? So some of the signs you know because they're not just signs, they're also just hand motions or hand signals, so to speak, okay? So 1, 2, 4, 5 are the same, okay? You don't have to know sign language in order to know that, okay? Now 3 is slightly different. You'll notice I did not mention 3 when I was doing 1, 2, 4, 5. I skipped over 3 for a reason. Now, if you watched my video on the alphabet, you'll see this is W, okay? So if this is W, it can't be 3, okay? So instead of this for 3, we do this for 3, okay? And the more you do it, the more used to it you'll get. The more used to it you get, the more you say, oh, that's not 3. You mean 3? It's like, no, it's 3. Like, no, that's W, 3. Okay, so that's pretty cool thing for it to happen. At least that's kind of cool for me. To me, it's cool. It's really cool. Okay, so 11 through 15, sorry, back it up. 6 through 9 is basic, and you're going to see it for the rest of the numbers, okay? For 6 through 9, you're touching your thumb to the tips of each one of these fingers, okay? So 6, you're touching with your pinky. 7, you're touching your ring. 8, your middle. 9, your pointer, okay? So 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? Just think of it as the pinky is shorter than the pointer, okay? 9 is the highest. 9 is higher than 6. So 9 is higher. 9 is also bigger than 6, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? This is 10. You're just wiggling your thumb. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? So the difference between 1 through 5 and 11 through 15, 2 things. 1, when you're doing 1 through 5, your palm orientation, where the palm is facing, is out, okay? When you're signing 11 through 15, the palm is facing yourself. So that we would call that palm orientation is in, okay? The other difference between 1 through 5 and 11 through 15 is that the fingers are wiggling, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? So 16 through 19 is just 10, then the number. So 16 would be 10, 6, like this, 16, okay? Same thing with 17, 18, 19, okay? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay? So this is 20, so this is 10, 20, okay? And then 21 is pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of like a gun, like a squirt gun or something. I'm not quite sure how to mesh that in with 21, but I don't know, 21 paces? I don't know. I know that's not really within the Old Western thing. Usually it's like 3 paces or 5 paces, just, 21 paces. However that works out for you to remember that, okay? 22, 23, 24. You would think this is 25. And technically it is. This is 25. But there's a really fast way, really easy shortcut to doing 25. Instead of 25, you just wiggle your middle finger, okay? So 22, 23, 24, 25, okay? So 26 through 29 follows the same thing, where 16 through 19 is 10, then the number. 26 through 29 is the same thing. 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? Same thing with 36. Actually, it's the same thing between 31 all the way to 39. Okay? So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Same thing with 41 through 49, 41 to 49, 51 to 59, all the way from 91 to 99. Okay? Now you notice that I have not said the numbers that ending in 0. That's because they're slightly different. Only because it ends with a 0. Okay? Although this is 0, so technically 0 through 9, it follows. From 30 all the way to 99 technically is repetition between 0 through 9. Okay? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? So 20, and I start with 29 all the way to 99 because 25 is slightly different and I don't want to throw you off. Okay? So 29, 30, 31, 32, all the way to 39, 40, 41, 42, all the way to 49, okay? 50, all the way to 59. Again, remember, in the decade, in each of the tens, you're doing the number of the tens, 40 or 50, so 42. 58, 91, okay, 88, okay, and you see me hopping because of the 2 place values, okay, so the tens value, the tens place is right here, the ones place is right here, just to kind of work with that for the space of your signing, okay, so for example, if you were going to say that you were born in such and such a year, you say I was born in 1978 or 1990. Okay, but that's going a little bit ahead because so far we're only up to 99. Okay, so the hundreds. This is a sign for 100. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Sorry, 500. Okay, I'm going to go back out a little bit that. Sorry about that. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, so you notice that instead of the numbers in the tens place before, now instead of there's 2 many little places for you to work with, now there's 3. Okay, so 300. What about 309, you may say? So 309. 309. Okay, this is 100 because the Roman numeral for 100 is a C. Okay, if you ever take a look at the copyright year at the end of a movie, it'll have the numbers like MC, XV111. Okay, the M is 1,000. The C is 100. The X is 10. Okay, so it goes along the same thing. So that is why this is 100, because the C for 100, for century. Okay? So this is the hundreds. This is thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Okay, and then going on. For example, if you were going to say 1,978, 1,978. Okay, or 2022, 2,222. But that is for the numbers, you know, like $2,000.22. Okay, or $2,020.02. Whatever. Okay, for any kind of number. For the year, you just do 2022. Yeah, 2022. 1987, you know, or you might see 20, or 20, remember? 2022 or 2020, okay? So that's what it is. So what if you had 4,300,201? Just kind of pop up a number. 4,003,222, for example. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you got something out of it, and of course, like the video, comment to tell me what you would like to see. Any questions about any signs that maybe you don't understand how to do, or you can't find a video that shows you sufficiently, you know, for you to understand it. And subscribe so you know when the next Dancing Hands video is going to come up. All right, see ya.